Hello, it's Dave here. I've got a PRS SE Custom 22 semi-hollow. This is a late made in Korea model, and it has the standard push-pull on the tone control to split the humbuckers into single coil mode. It simply grounds one of the coils, and I find that the sound is a little bit thin and there's a slight volume drop, and I don't find it that useful, especially on a clean sound, as I play on a clean sound. Now what PRS does on the S2, the CE and DGT models is to do more of a partial coil split, where on the neck pickup they add a 1.1 kilo ohm resistor between the coil and ground, and on the bridge pickup they add a 2.2 kilo ohm resistor between the coil and ground, and it makes more of a fuller sound and it's much more useful. Now I'll do some sound samples before the modification and after the modification, and we'll go through the what's needed, remove this rear cover, and simply add some extra resistors between the coil and ground. It's quite straightforward, there's not much involved, some simple soldering. I hope you find it useful, really. Here's the neck pickup in humbucker mode. Here's the neck pickup in original coil split mode. Here's the bridge pickup in humbucker mode. Here's the bridge pickup in original coil split mode. For the coil split modification, remove the screws and the boomerang electronics backplate as shown. The grey wire is the neck pickup and the black wire is the bridge pickup. SEs made in Indonesia have black pickup wires identified by a green shrink wrap for the neck and a red shrink wrap for the bridge. The white wire is used to ground one of the coils when the tone control is pulled up. This is to be removed. Here's the wiring diagram for the S2, and it's a simple case of adding the additional resistors on the tone control as shown in place of the white grounding wire. The wiring diagrams are available on the PRS website. Now remove the white grounding wire and move it out of the way. it can be cut off as it's no longer required. Then desolder the link wire between the two pins and remove it. This enables the neck and the bridge pickup to have a different value of resistor in the ground path when coil split. Using the desolder tool, remove the excess solder from the pins to make installation of the resistors easier. Now solder the 2.2 kilo ohm resistor to the pin of the tone control as shown in the wiring diagram. Solder the other end of the resistor to the top. Solder the 1.1 kilo ohm resistor to the pin of the tone control as shown in the wiring diagram, and again solder the other end of the resistor to the top. Cut off any excess and make sure the cavity is nice and clean. When the tone control is pulled up, the coil is grounded via the resistor, 2.2 kilo ohms for the bridge pickup and 1.1 kilo ohm for the neck pickup, creating a partial coil split. Reinstall the boomerang electronics backplate. Now you'll hear some recordings with the modified coil split. Here's the neck pickup in humbucker mode. Here's the neck pickup in modified coil split mode. Here's the bridge pickup in humbucker mode. Here's the bridge pickup in modified coil split mode. So in conclusion, it's been a worthwhile modification and it's greatly improved the sound of the single coil setting accessible via the push-pull tone control. I highly recommend PRS Guitars for their outstanding sound, quality and playability. Just as a side note, the strings I use are these ones here. They're flat wound strings from Thomastik-Infeld, Vienna, Austria. It's the Jazz Swing series. This is JS111. It's an 11 to 47 size. It has a wound G, and they sound absolutely fantastic on this PRS SE Custom 22 semi-hollow with the 8515S pickups. They stay in tune very well and they last for ages. Absolutely fantastic strings, highly recommend them.